Hi guys, welcome to the Thinking Crypto channel. I hope you're doing well. On this channel, we cover the crypto news and we interview many of the folks who are building and investing in the crypto asset class. So if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button as well as the thumbs up button. Guys, some very bullish news coming from Bloomberg. So Bloomberg, of course, a very well-known brand in the financial markets. They put out a lot of financial news, have a lot of coverage, and their network's pretty big. So the fact that they're talking about crypto is significant. We've seen JP Morgan put out reports and their analysts are bullish on Bitcoin, saying it has lasting potential because it survived that March market crash. So Bloomberg's researchers bullish on Bitcoin. Demand points to $12,000. Here's what that report looks like. And it's dated mid-year, July 2020 edition, so this month. And, the fact that they are putting these type of reports just shows how big this crypto asset class is going to be. And it's the subtext here is Bloomberg Crypto Outlook. So they have a division here. They have their analysts looking at this. And the title of the report is A Resting Bitcoin Bull. I like that. And they talk about that $12,000 price mark. They compare Bitcoin to the other asset classes and a lot of different factors. Now, one of the things I do want to call out here, which is significant, is increasing Bitcoin demand adoption. So this is a subsection of that document. Bitcoin is winning in the category that matters most, demand. And they're absolutely right. The simple rule that an asset with limited supply and strengthening demand will increase the price shapes our Bitcoin outlook. Increasing addresses used on exchange investment product inflows and futures open interest create firmer underpinnings for the benchmark crypto. Addresses point toward $12,000. So I think we can all agree that there's a bullish outlook on the market in Bitcoin because the halving just took place in May. And historically, if you look at the halving chart, we've seen after the halving a strong bull market, right? So you have your bull, bear, and accumulation phases. So right now we are at the tail end of that accumulation phase, and the bull market is on the cusp, right? We're seeing the price steadily increase, and Bloomberg is looking at a $12,000 short-term price. Now, some people are calling for higher prices this year. I personally don't think it's going to happen. Is there potential for it to happen? Sure. How high of a probability? I don't think it's very high. There's a higher probability of it happening next year because when you look at the 4-year cycles of, once again, bull, bear, and accumulation phases, we see 2021 is when we can expect that higher price. So not certainties here, but probabilities, right? So certainly the scarcity aspect, the stock to flow model for Bitcoin is going to help drive the price up. But what's also going to be a significant factor is what Bitcoin was created for. And that is a hedge against failing economies, financial crisis, money printing, excessive money printing, and inflation, right? So for example, Argentina, it's reported here, sets new Bitcoin trading records as economy worsens. In the midst of a financial crisis worsened by lockdowns due to the coronavirus pandemic, Argentina is now trading more Bitcoin than ever. And you can probably expect to see it in Venezuela, guys, where they have a lot of money printing, a lot of financial issues and government issues, right? So these different factors coupled together are going to help drive the price of Bitcoin up. And we know, as we saw in 2017, altcoins move with the momentum that Bitcoin creates. So keep that in mind. I'm sure altcoins can move on their own. There hasn't been full decoupling, but you have coins like Chainlink and Tezos and some that have done really well, had their mini pumps. But when you see Bitcoin make that big move, right, upwards, the altcoins will follow. So Bloomberg's bullish, JP Morgan's bullish, and I think we all know based on the data and trends a bullish market and a bull market is coming. But we have to be patient. It doesn't happen over a couple of months. It doesn't happen tomorrow or tonight. You got to look at it macro level and zoom out and keep in mind the scarcity aspect and what's happening in the world around us. And on that note, we continue to see more talent and people from the government and traditional financial markets getting into the crypto industry. They're going to work with exchanges and different crypto firms. So, for example, former top Treasury official joins Bitcoin tracing firm Chainalysis. So her name, I'm going to try to pronounce it correctly here, Sigal Mandelker, was previously Treasury Undersecretary for Terrorism and Financial Intelligence under President Trump, but now she's working for a crypto firm. So pretty amazing to see this unfold. And no one wants to be put in a position where they're in an industry that's dying or they could lose their job or money. But people are recognizing the growing crypto market and industry, guys. It's growing, and we continue to see talent flocking to the crypto market and crypto industry. We continue to see a lot of investments, a lot of institutional players like your Paul Tudor Jones and many others getting in, a lot of acquisitions and partnerships. And speaking of acquisitions, Binance acquires crypto debit card provider Swipe for undisclosed sum. So Binance, they've been firing all cylinders. You guys may recall my interview with CZ where we talked about the coin market cap acquisition, Bitcoin mining pool they're building. So they're doing some pretty great things to further crypto adoption. So exchange giant Binance has acquired crypto wallet app Swipe.io that allows users to purchase items via a Visa debit card. So the on and off ramps being built for the crypto asset class. The ability to buy, sell, trade, spend, and merchants to accept, guys. All these things being set up. So Binance, which has been adding fiat gateways for users all around the world, said Tuesday the acquisition could help boost crypto adoption. So I love it, guys. This is what we want to see. If you're invested in a company and you're looking at the stock, you want to see what that company's doing. Are they going to acquire other services or acquire other companies? They're going to add new services, new features, whatever it may be, and that drives the value up, right? So I love seeing this being built out because we are so early. The masses are not here yet. We're like, what, 1%, 2% of the amount of people in the world involved in crypto, if not two, just one, right? So when the masses come, they start mass marketing this. You're going to see the prices go up. You're going to see people just investing it via their 401k or IRA, whatever it is, right? Fidelity is already in the game, and you know the amount of clients they have and the assets that they manage. So it's all coming together, all the puzzle pieces. And when you see folks like Bloomberg and JP Morgan and all these people putting out their reports talking about Bitcoin and crypto as though it's like, like a few years back, they weren't saying, oh, crypto's crap, Bitcoin's a fraud. But now they're treating it like the asset class that it is. So once again, let me read that title of that report here. A resting Bitcoin bull. Get ready, guys. HODL, hit that thumbs up button. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Leave your thoughts and comments below. I'll talk to you all later.